Hey dolls, welcome back. So my foundation and my brows are already done. I have a routine coming up, so look out for that. Now I'm going to start off by priming my lids, of course, and I'm going to be using concealer. And I'm going to be using this one, and this is from the Shaunz seven-piece kit. Now I just quickly wanted to touch on the topic of the new YouTube policy. I know that a lot of us have been affected, and I have been affected, and at first I was like very discouraged, and I'm like, but you know, all of the work that I've put in, it's not that the money really matters, but you know, all of the hard work and the dedication and all that, you know, that I've put in, and a lot of other YouTubers like myself have put in, you know, what's gonna happen? We don't meet the requirements of, some of us don't meet the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and they're going to demonetize the videos. And I'm like, why would they do that? But according to what I've been hearing, they want to kind of prune out the people who aren't really serious about YouTube. And something else happened, which I won't mention for the sake of not wanting to step on anybody's toes, but something happened, and what I've heard is that that had something to do with it, and I don't know, but it's a little bit disheartening. It's a little bit disheartening. At the end of the day, for most people, YouTube is a business, and this is where they make their income. But for some of us, it's just a hobby, and some of us, we just love to do it. Like myself, I enjoy doing this. I enjoy meeting new people, you know, and so yeah, I don't know, but I hope they change it eventually. We have until February the 20th, I think, to meet the requirements. I don't think I'll meet the requirements anytime soon, but I'm just going to continue doing what I love to do, which is makeup, fashion, and you know, showing you a bit of my lifestyle. I'm going to continue to do that, and I just want to encourage you guys to stick, you know, stay in there, be encouraged. Don't let this discourage you. Continue to do what you love to do. I mean, at the end of the day, what is meant to be will be. So don't let this make you want to quit something that you actually love. Continue doing it, and you will reap all your rewards sometime down the line. I don't know when it is, I can't tell you, but continue doing it. All the work that you put in will surely pay off one day. So from the Nubian 2 palette, I'm going to go ahead and pop Kenya into my crease area. So what I think we need to do more, guys, is support each other. And when I say support, I mean go to people's channels and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, because that's a good way of helping people out. And I mean, at the end of the day, we all put in work, and I think we all deserve to reap the benefits. And there are some ladies that I'm in a group with on WhatsApp. I want to shout them out real quick. It's Maxine's Corner, it's Celine Okereke, it's Olivia, it's Love Matters, it's Naturalistic Me, it's Lady Jane, it's Diana from Billy's Family, it's Yvonne Jack, Eve Mafeng, I haven't forgotten you, love. So what I want you guys to do is check out all these ladies. I will leave them in the description box below. Go check them out, show them some love. They're so supportive, they're very kind, very strong women, and I don't know what I would do sometimes without these ladies. When we're, you know, going through a rough time, we just go to the group and we, you know, we chit chat, and I always leave inspired or encouraged. So I want you guys to, you know, go support these ladies as well, and they will support you right back. Okay. This is a community, and in a community what we do is support people, and without support our channels wouldn't amount to anything. So we need to support as much as possible. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, guys, is apply this blue right here on the outer corners. Apply this blue, sorry, this green, and it's called Egypt. So the blue is called Cleopatra and the green is called Egypt, and I'm going to apply that in the inner portion where I've left out. Go into Jezebel and pop that into my crease and try to blend everything in together. Right here, my cheek area. So I just want to finish off this video by saying, guys, let's help each other out as much as we can. Don't let this discourage you from doing what you truly love. And if you truly love something, you do it and you put all your heart and soul into it. So let's continue to make wonderful content. Let's continue to support each other. And that's basically what I have to say to you guys with regards to this whole YouTube policy. Actually, this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation in Deep Dark. Put some of my favorite highlighter at the moment on, and it's the Jenny Jenkins for Blackout Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Love it. Let's do the lips. I'm going to be using the NYX High Voltage Lipstick in, where's the name? in Flutter Kiss, and then I'm going to use Cork from MAC to line my lips. This look, oh my word, I love the colors. They all mesh in with my outfit, don't you think? I love it. Anyways, that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. As I said in the beginning of the video, stay encouraged. Don't let things like these, you know, get you down. Continue to do what you love. Continue to do what makes you feel so happy on the inside, and always support your fellow YouTubers. We all need to support each other, so let's continue to support each other. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye.